everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to buy a mechanical keyboard, you deserve to buy this Reddragon keyboard. Why I say that? Because this model have 4 switches, blue, brown, black and red switches. Okay, this is a package. This is corner box package. As you can see, this brand is Reddragon. The model is K208. And this model we have FCC and FCE certification, so you don't have to worry about the quality. Okay, let me show you the each model sound. This is blue switch. This is brown switch. Black switch and red switch. Let me show you the details of the switch. You can see blue switch, brown switch, black switch, red switch, double injection keycaps, ABS material. If you press F1 and INS, you can change the light. As you can see guys, this model have 104 keys, rainbow, and it has waterproof design at the back of the keyboard. The key life have 15 millions. As you can see, this is ergonomic design. If you like our products, you can contact me on WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter or YouTube. Thanks for watching.